All right, yo, trade recap from today. So today I took one trade, as you can see, one loss, minus $502. Why is this so much? Did you over risk? Did you over leverage? No, I talked about that in the video before this, which I just recorded. But I'm going for a new RR system. I'm going for lower RR trades. And with that as well, I'm risking not exactly double, but before I risked $285 per trade, and now I'll be risking $500 per trade. So this is actually what I'm allowed to risk right now. Before I calculated my $285 loss per trade or risk per trade because I divided my max loss, so $2,000, divided that by 7 because my max consecutive losses in all of my data that I've seen, is 6. So what I do is I add 1 to it, so I can get back in that streak, that losing streak, 6 losses, and I can still take one trade. Like that's the idea of it. Um, um, but yeah, that's how I came like 2,000 divided by 7, you get 285. But now $500. How did I come up with this? Like I don't have a lot of data supporting this yet. I do know from what I've seen, like all this old data that I have, I still have a lot that I can use for this new RR system. But yeah, what I do is I just doubled it because I go for lower R trades now. Not exactly double, but I just rounded or rounded it around $500. So that's what I did. So that's what I'm gonna do forward from now, going forward from now, and yeah, that's that loss. So let's go over the trade that I took now. This was from yesterday, and then here as well. Okay, let's see. So today London session again. Um, let's go here. Today we had no news. What I do when we have no news is I trade the London session, and I was actually looking for short today. I was at work, but I could trade. I was trading at work. I had the opportunity to do so, so I did. Um, yeah, I was looking for shorts. You can see we now trade higher still, but I thought it looked really clear. I could just look at this 50-minute chart, but yeah, what I said in indices here is I'm gonna try and trade London while it works. So equal lows here, sell side here, equal lows here, sell side here. This is my drawing for you. This is what I was looking for. Literally at this is just a bit before London session opening. You can see 2:55, so 5 minutes before London session opening. We had a really small 50-minute gap here, and then we did inverse a singular gap, so I had optimal trade entry on here. So yeah, I was looking for shorts. Higher time frame was bearish for me, so yeah, that was what I was looking for. And you can see here, we never even took these equal lows actually. Here, and those next ones are here. And did I mark out anything else? I don't think I did. Let's see. Oh yeah, I did mark out. Oh, oh yeah, these lows. So we did take these. Okay. So also that these equal lows marked out. Or wait, did I? No, wait. Wait, what? 15. Oh, only this one. Wait. Here and. Oh no, there. Okay, no. So I only had these marked out. We didn't even take this all session, but I just thought this looked really clean. I was bearish. Bigger time frame is bearish for me. We were in a bigger time frame gap as well. Here even we had all these clean lows. We have so many clean lows, but I think this will just be generate liquidity for CPI. We have CPI this week, so I think that's what we're doing really. We're generating that for probably CPI, I think. But yeah, I was looking for shorts. Let's go over that trade. So yeah, I had and this oh as well, yeah, I almost forgot about this, but this was such an unfortunate loss, man. Yeah, I looked at these highs. I could go over these screenshots actually. So missed a trade would have been a loss, so that's good. I actually missed this trade. I was doing something and I couldn't be on the charts just at the open. I missed this, but this would have been a loss, so that's good. I missed this, so that's a good miss. That's a positive. And then I was looking at this. Let's see if this SMT will hold at this sell side and then these equal lows. You can see eventually took out the high even. And yeah, so yeah, I thought, okay, SMT, now took this high on yes. Let's see if you want to drop lower. We eventually didn't. It did not, but I was still looking because we had an SMT. What I do is, this is a 4-hour high. If you have a 4-hour high, then I have to look at the 5 minute before I can take an entry. I have to see a 5 minute swing high get taken. But because we had an SMT, I wouldn't have been, or yeah, it wasn't necessary for me to look at the 5 minute there. But yeah, my entry was here. So 2 minute, and yes, we have an SMT still at the high at this time. Took out all these equal highs. There, and then on NQ, also on ES, we inverse the singular gap. Closure below was here, and you could already see it. Inversion, stop at the high, and what was I targeting? I was targeting here, 1.59 RR, and yeah, you could already see it. I don't know, man. I really don't know. This is just stupid. I don't know what it is, but maybe someone up there doesn't like me or something. But I'm just really amazed about like I already talked about like I think it was last week or maybe 2 weeks ago, like how I already feel like everything is against me. Like I think everyone really has that feeling, but I'm already in that like that streak of like, okay, yeah, I think everything is against me, and I just keep getting these trades. Like this trade, last Friday there was a trade like this as well. I could just go in positions. So yeah, I talked about this. So took an L. Yeah, this was that trade. I took a loss here, screenshotted it, and then really this bullshit again. Got stopped out there, and then eventually we took those equal lows. As you can see here, yeah, this was my target there. And yeah, just so many times, man, that I really have the feeling like, oh, this is all against me. Like this is just a really nice W that I took, so really glad with that. Nothing to say about this, of course. This is a break even. Here as well, this is a break even. Eventually went to the TP. That's also why a reason why I want to change to lower R trades. This is just a loss. Nothing to say about this. There was an apex. Accidentally closed trade, so I was here in a W trade, but accidentally closed trades at not even 1-1 RR. Unfortunate, but yeah, another example maybe. This one, break even. That was my target. We didn't take this. We eventually went to my stop loss there. I got stopped at break even, so I didn't take a loss. But we went to here. There was the high, and we tanked all the way lower. Not even on a chart, you could see where we eventually dropped lower too. That's a break even, bro. There's just so many break even. That's just a break even trade. Here I was up all these 1-1. So also reasons why I wanted to change the R system. Just a loss, just break even. That's just a loss. Yeah, I don't know, man. I just really have that feeling. I already think I'm in that streak of like, yeah, I think everything is going against me. But these trades, man, I don't know. It just doesn't get better or something, I feel. That all sounds really negative. Like I really think, of course, it's gonna get better. Maybe I'll even get profitable this month. Who knows? Like I have a lot of confidence with it, but I don't know, man. I'm really waiting for that moment to happen. I'm just really waiting. I don't know what else I should do. I think I'm doing the best I can with improving my trading, improving my just everything. I think I'm really doing my best outside of life as well, going to the gym, making up my bed, all the small stuff, being with family, being nice to everyone. I don't know, man, but yeah, I just don't know. But yeah, this is already trade recap. Took one loss this day. There was no re-entry here for the rest of this day. This was a bit outside my kill zone. Oh, actually, we went lower. I closed the charts after this. Was there even an entry? It was just a bit outside my kill zone, so it wouldn't have been anyway. But kind of nice to see if my entry model was there. Let's see. No, there wasn't. Okay. But yeah, man. That's basically trade recap already. Unfortunate loss. Again, nothing really else to say about this. And yeah. I'll be training tomorrow again, Thursday and Friday. Really curious what it will bring. Lower RR system, so my win rate should be around 60% so far from what I've seen. So that means maybe next trade is going to be W. Who knows? Who knows? Maybe I jinxed it, but no. I'm really trying to stay positive, of course. All jokes aside. That's always what I'm trying to do. I know eventually I'm really trading a profitable system, so it should be profitable. It's just a matter of time, and I'm really trying to be patient. I am patient. I think I am. yeah, I'm just waiting, still waiting for God to give me that opportunity, for the universe to give me that opportunity. So yeah, waiting. That's all I can do, and perform or just do my best. That's all I can do. But yeah, that will be the trade recap. Thank you for watching, and see you.